Welcome to UKey Wallet. This guide covers how to activate your UKey Core 26 and set up your wallet, whether you're creating a new one or importing an existing account. First, press the button on your device to activate it. Then, choose your preferred language. You can check whether your device is activated for the first time or skip after 10 seconds. Once UKey Core is activated, you can choose to either create a new wallet or import an existing wallet to your device. If you want to have a completely new wallet on UKey Core, click Continue to create a new wallet. Once you've selected your preferred import method, create a PIN to protect your device. Your PIN can contain 4 to 50 digits. Next, you can add your fingerprint as an alternative way to unlock the device, easier and more convenient. For a new wallet, the device will generate a recovery phrase, which often consists of 12 or 24 words. Users have to write these words down in the correct order, as they function as a backup solution in case you lose access to your wallet. To ensure the recovery phrase is carefully recorded, users are asked to enter the correct numbered words. Once you successfully verify your recovery phrase, your wallet is ready. Download UKey Wallet app to connect with UKey Core for more features. If you already have a wallet, import it to your device using one of 4 options: a recovery phrase or UKey card, UKey TI, or UKey Ring from the UKey ecosystem. Just as when you create a new wallet, you have to set a PIN and fingerprint for UKey Core when importing the wallet. In the next step, start importing your wallet by placing the solution you've selected, UKey card or UKey Ring, on the device's NFC reading area. To ensure the card is yours, enter a 6-digit PIN of your card or ring for further processing. This helps protect your wallet even when the card or ring is lost. Once the PIN is verified, the transferring process continues until your wallet is successfully imported. Click Continue to start your experience with UKey Wallet. You're all set with UKey Core 26. Keep your assets secure and enjoy a safer self-custody experience with UKey.